to my channel. So brows. Brows are probably my favorite thing to do. There are better ways to do your brows, but you know, whatever you like is what you like. I'm not here to judge. You do you, boo. Me personally, I like a really bold and structured brow. So if you guys want to see how I got to these, then keep on watching. I definitely think you should do your brows after your foundation, because if you do them before your foundation, it's just gonna like mess up your brows because foundation, duh, you know? So I start off with my base first, and then I go in with my brows next, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna start with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm gonna take my Anastasia, I'm pretty sure it's the number 12 brush. We're gonna just start carving out the brow. So what I do is I take my spoolie and I just comb through the brows like so. And then I'll tap my brush into my product a few times. And I kind of just start tracing my natural brow. And do you see how now I already have like the kind of definition of that line I just did underneath my brow? And me personally, I never do like actual like just one straight line. I kind of like to feather it kind of, because I feel like it makes it look the most natural. And I'll do the same to the top. And as you guys can see, I don't really overdo too much. I kind of just enhance my brows a little bit and exaggerate the shape of them because they're a little bit more thinner than I actually like them. And then as I'm doing that top line, I'll go in and kind of fill in where I have sparseness. Right, and you see how that brow is already more defined than this brow is. So now that I have kind of my initial shape done, I'll go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in the shade Ash Brown, because I have blonde hair and I feel like the ash brown is more cool tone than the dark brown being more warm tone. And then I'll just take my brush, same brush, and I'll just start filling in with the product. And now we're done. Just kidding. So now that that's done, I will take a concealer of choice. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Take some of that, and I'll take my Anastasia, I believe this is like the 7B brush. It's just a flat top concealer brush. I'll take that, grab a little product, and just carve out my brow. And I only do this step with the underneaths of the brow because I feel like it makes it look the most natural. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I will take my Benefit Precisely My eyebrow pencil in the shade 4.5, and I literally only use this for the fronts of my brow, or they naturally grow in light to dark, so I like to use the brow pencil because I feel like it looks the most natural and it helps kind of my brows look more gradient. Honestly, you guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I just do what I do. And so I take this and I start at the very front of my brow and I just kind of flick it to make a defined line like so. And then I'll take the spoolie and I'll literally just comb the product through my brow. After that's done, I will go towards the front of the brow and I'll just start flicking it up, creating hair-like strokes. And that is pretty much how I do my eyebrows. And of course, like as I'm doing other stuff in my routine, I'll just take my brush that I was using to fill them in. And of course, like I'll go back in, I'm like, okay, that could be a little bit more defined, or like that could be have a little more of a higher arch, or just things like that. Like I always tweak it up until, you know, the time I set my face. Then, once I feel like that is the completion of my brow, I will take my Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in the shade Ash Brown again. I'll scrape off any excess, because I'm literally just using this to just set my brow now. And I'll just comb through the brow. And there you have it. That is how you get my brow. And I'm gonna go do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. You guys have made it to the end of the video. This is the final look. I'll list all the products that I used below. I hope you guys like this. I plan to keep on doing more things like this. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate it more than you guys could possibly ever know. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.